I have to do laundry. That's gonna ooh, Kim Love hold the camera. Hey dudes, what's up? It's Love and I have a new video for you, and this video is going to be a weekend in my life. We're already off to a great start. We're starting a couple hours behind schedule because I was supposed to start this at 10 a.m. and it's currently 4:31. So we're doing great so far, but I have a lot of things to do today. There's a bunch of things on my to-do list, and I have things for today and tomorrow. And tomorrow is Super Bowl Sunday, and I have things planned for that, so I wanted to take you guys along through the entire thing. So let's go ahead and get into it. If you have not seen my face before, hey, my name is Love, and I would love if you guys would stick around, subscribe down below, and join the fam, because we're super chill and fun over here, and I would love for you guys to be a part of us. But let's get into it. This video was supposed to be up today at 12 noon. It's currently 5:22 p.m. I'm gonna see if I can get this video up by 6 o'clock because I still want it to go up today. But 12 noon is my standard, like, scheduled uploading time, but this one's just gonna have to be a little bit late for today. Alright, so my computer loves to do this thing where after a month of uploading videos, it runs out of storage. I have 256 gigabytes, but it always runs out and it's so annoying. So I need to figure out a way to start editing off of my hard drive because I'm tired of having to delete everything off my computer to make space for one 20-minute video. That's besides the point. My mom just stopped by and she dropped off a few things for me. So she brought me some dinner. So I have some jollof rice and some chicken. And when I was home this past weekend, she bought me a pecan pie. And she knows I'm the only one who eats these. And I forgot it when I went home. So she brought it to me so that I can have my pecan pie. So I'm set for dessert for a while. I literally only ate one slice while I was home. So this is what's going to be for dinner and dessert for tonight. Since she already made me food, I can't complain. So that's what we're going to eat now. So I just finished taking notes for organic chemistry. These were the notes I missed from class because like I said, I fell asleep on the second day of class, but it's fine because she records every single lecture. So this is from the first and second day of class. I only have one full page of notes. So yeah, this is where we stopped at stereochemistry, and she said we're going to pick up with regiochemistry and kinetics on Monday. For the rest of the night, I'm going to try my best to finish all of the readings I have to do. I have basically 2 chapters in every single class. So I have 2 chapters of reading for philosophy, psychology, and Spanish. So I'm starting with Spanish because I translated half of it already. I'm going to finish that, and then I'll probably end up doing the second chapter later tonight or tomorrow. It is currently 10:48 p.m. I'm gonna try and do like 1 chapter from each class so that I can, if anything, I can just finish all the other chapters tomorrow. I think I'm gonna definitely try to finish philosophy tonight as well because I'm already halfway through the first chapter, and then the other chapter is only like 5 or 6 pages, so we should be fine for now. But I will obviously update you guys if anything changes. I'm gonna try and shower around midnight, so we'll see what I can get done in the next hour and 15 minutes. Hello vlog, good morning. Well, actually good afternoon, because once again woke up late and it's also snowing outside, so that's cute. Super Bowl plans are not canceled. I just have to get a move on things because my laundry is going to take me 2 hours. I know it will. And I haven't started. So I'm gonna do that, and then right after I put the laundry in, I'm gonna wash the dishes and take out the trash because it's been piling up. And then we're gonna watch one more lecture video today before I go over to my friend's dorm to do Super Bowl things. And I'm gonna pick up food before I go to her too. I'm gonna order from campus and just pick it up before I get to her. But yeah, yay me for another rough start to the day. Let's go. So as you can see, the dishes and trash have been piling up, but it's okay, we're gonna fix it. I'm gonna obviously put what needs to be recycled in the recycling and then just take all the trash and dishes out at the same time. I only have 5 plates, so it's not terrible. Alright, so now that all of business is taken care of, I'm gonna eat lunch really quick because I haven't eaten anything all day and it's 4:30. So I'm having a chicken Caesar salad, some chips and guac, and then I always have like these cute little applesauce and granola bars. This is typically what I eat for breakfast, but we're gonna eat it now. So heavier lunch, lighter dinner type of deal. I have 15 minutes until my clothes are out of the washer, so when those are done, I'm gonna just change them over to the dryer, and then once they're in the dryer, I'm gonna start listening to my bio lecture because I have to do that today. Alright guys, I have my air conditioning on. Usually I turn it off when I'm vlogging, but I just didn't feel like it. I just wanted to catch you guys up. So my clothes are done in the dryer. I'm about to go pick those up, and I have 30 minutes into this lecture. I have an hour left, and basically I'm just writing whatever she writes. So it's kind of annoying that like she didn't just fill in the PowerPoint herself, because I'm not really like, I'm literally just writing verbatim what she has on her screen right now. So that's the deal, and I'm gonna go pick up my clothes. I finished the Super Bowl. My friend has left. I have finished laundry. I folded that while I was watching the Super Bowl. And I have finished my bio lecture and video that she wanted us to watch for tomorrow. And now I just have to read for philosophy, and then I will be done. So I'm taking medical ethics this semester, and it's just a lot of reading. That's really it. I'm not mad about it. It's kind of what I expected. So I'm just gonna read this and jot some things down so that I can be a part of the discussion. So I have 9 pages left, which isn't terrible. Like, oh my god. At first I thought the second reading was gonna be in like another 20 pages. It's only 3. And I only have 6 pages left in the one I'm doing right now. So I have my lo-fi music set up, and I'm just gonna listen to that while I finish this reading. And the Super Bowl halftime show, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, because what was the weekend doing? Anyways, let's get back to it. I just finished that reading and it's 2 a.m. I clearly got very distracted. I definitely started this at like 11 and now it's 2. Why did it take me 3 hours to finish like 9 to 10 pages? I don't know. I was definitely distracted with other things throughout the process. But it's time for me to go and shower, which will be the last thing I do in this weekend in my life. And obviously skincare and everything like that. But let's go ahead and take care of that because I want to be in bed by like 2:30. I don't really want to stay up any later than I have to, so. Alright everyone, so that is the end of this weekend in my life. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is typically what I do. I just catch up on a bunch of homework. I do some chores around my dorm, and often than not I may have a friend over or maybe hanging out at their place. So that is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, leave me some comments and video requests down below because I love reading them and I will film your video requests. And with that being said, if you have not already, make sure to subscribe down below and join the chill and fun fam here on YouTube because you're already missing out. But without further ado, peace dude.